Hello guys, thanks for tuning into my video. This one will be a bit different from my previous videos. Instead of a tutorial, I'd like to discuss a project that I've been keen on since the beginning of 2021 and I'm still bullish on to this day. I'm of course talking about the Kronos coin, or CRO for short. If you made it this deep among crypto YouTube videos, chances are you're already well accustomed with this coin. It's the native asset of the Crypto.com platform and has a range of utility features that enhances the trading and investing experience for the platform's users. You can stake it for a Visa card, use it to make direct purchases from online merchants, get rebates on exchange fees, support liquidity mining pools, and a lot more. Overall, CRO has definitely made a name for itself as a utility token and is of course largely dependent on the success and decisions of the Crypto.com platform. Now in mid-2021, however, Crypto.com started expanding the token away from the standard website exchange currency and more toward an independent DeFi-ish token. This firstly by moving away from ERC20 and onto their own mainnet, then by announcing several large-scale token burns, and finally by launching an NFT platform and native chain staking. And this is not even mentioning all of the major updates the Crypto.com platform has received over the last 2 years. So with these conditions in mind, the question on everyone's minds is probably about the future of the coin, its price and its place among the competition. Will Kronos be the next Bitcoin or Ethereum? Well, obviously not. But in order to get a fair overview of the Kronos coin and its price potential, I'm going to make some comparisons to other crypto assets and provide a quick analysis on what exactly makes Crypto.com and the Kronos coin stand out among the competition. Before we get into that, however, I just have to quickly mention that I'm not a financial advisor and this video is not financial advice. Always consider risk when investing and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. With that being said, here's my reasoning for being very bullish on CRO and what I think is a reasonable price prediction for the next bull run. First off, we have to keep in mind that CRO is still largely managed by the Crypto.com team and should therefore be treated as a semi-centralized utility token. If we want a good price prediction, we need to put it against a coin of similar style. So instead of Bitcoin or Ethereum, we could ask ourselves, could it be the next Binance coin? BNB has large similarities with CRO. It enhances user experience on a centralized exchange and is launched on its own mainnet. According to the coinperspective.com, if CRO had the same market cap as BNB, it would be worth a whopping $1.32 a piece. Now, do I think that's a good price prediction for the short term? Of course not, but it gives us a starting point for analyzing the potential of these semi-centralized utility tokens. Binance is by far the largest cryptocurrency exchange on the market today. They have some of the most complex tools for crypto trading, which means that the day traders and financial institutions are likely on their side when it comes to crypto. And I don't think it's likely that Crypto.com will capture the attention of the guys with the big bucks anytime soon. Mainly since their current website exchange is just not nearly as advanced and expansive as Binance's is. However, I can see Crypto.com winning the game when it comes to another demographic. Namely the people who want to use crypto in their everyday lives. The private customer market, if you will. The people who are not that into advanced trading and just want an easy place to buy, sell, stake and borrow crypto. And I would in fact argue that Crypto.com already has the upper hand when it comes to this demographic. They are killing the competition when it comes to debit cards and also have well integrated features for staking, borrowing and even paying with crypto. All wrapped up in a tidy package. And let's not forget that Binance will discontinue their credit card in December 2023, leaving Crypto.com with even less competition in this area. Now the interesting part is that Crypto.com rewards people who are holding CRO when it comes to these services as well. The higher you stake for a Visa card, the higher cashback you get, not to mention increased rebates and interest rates. To add on top of that, you are required to lock up your CRO for 6 months when you order a Visa card, and when you stake it for higher interest rates, you also need to lock it up for 3 to 6 months minimum. Even when you stake it on the mainnet, there's a 28-day unbonding period before you can cash out, which is pretty standard, but still, my point is that once new investors have put their money in CRO, chances are good it will stay there for a while. With that in mind, let's imagine what would happen if Crypto.com got a third the market cap of the Binance coin. It would be worth about 40 cents per coin. That being said, Crypto.com becoming even a third the size of Binance is a bit of a long shot. Let's not forget that the BRC20 chain holds some of the most popular DeFi and NFT projects out there. However, this comparison is not about Crypto.com becoming a third the size of Binance, it's about CRO getting a third the market cap BNB has today. And we are in a bear market right now. Binance will likely keep growing if a new crypto hype wave rolls in, and so will Crypto.com. So I'm prepared to say that once a new crypto hype wave rolls in, Crypto.com will win over a lot of those everyday people just looking to invest and utilize their crypto in a quick and convenient way. Perhaps even more so than during the last bull run, as major competitors like Celsius Network had to shut down during the last crypto market crash, while Crypto.com, despite some cost cuts, held their ground. And as I said before, once money is invested in CRO, it likely stays there for a while. One last thing I'd like to mention about the Kronos coin is that historically it has had somewhat of a correlation with the price movements of the major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It seems that if cryptocurrencies in general become more popular, so does Kronos. And that makes sense because a lot of people are likely going to be using Crypto.com to buy these major coins, and in turn they will be entered into the Kronos ecosystem. So just to sum it up, during the last bull run, Kronos peaked at about 97 cents. That would be roughly 16x from today's standards. Now let's imagine that a new bull run takes place with all the aspects I just mentioned in mind. Less competition for private customers, an established mainnet, and the general trust of having survived a major crypto crash. Is it then reasonable that CRO could 10x or even 20x? Well, I don't know when the next bull run will happen, but I think once it does, that would be more than reasonable. And that's why I'm bullish on CRO. Anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's my first time making a video like this, so if you did enjoy it, I'd be very happy if you subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot and motivates me to push out more content like this. Also, please let me know your thoughts on CRO in the comments and whether you agree with my take on it or not. See you in the next video. Until then, have a good one.